but I see a Regibo and I feel icky.
Yeah.
Because if they hit my E, great. If they don't, we're not good.
But the Fallen is a terrible PB.
Was it Fallen? I mean, yeah, we'll try it.
Yeah, turn on.
Worst case, we eat shit.
I'm just flying over here.
Come towards me.
I have fire too.
Yeah. One hand fire.
Okay, I'm stacking up.
That's a lot of damage.
I got a lot of damage too. This guy's gonna die.
I don't have much for you. Doing my best.
Okay, let's just kite for a second.
Yeah.
This guy's gonna die.
His healer. Healer is being...
I'm still fucking around. I got the healer. Everything good trash.
Are you kidding? That's dumb.
Yeah, dude.
They OC'd? That's bullshit.
I know the healer. I thought he was cursed.
Apparently not.
You tell me if we need to kite or anything.
Yeah, so far I'm okay.
Been undead. He's dead.
It's been rooted. What the fuck is happening?
One dead.
Yeah. Did you loot it or did they?
I looted it.
Okay.
He's a T8 OC, by the way. So tell me if you
Oh shit, okay.
Should we OC?
I think we're okay.
I'm gonna OC.
Okay, I'll be able to. Let's have you. And then you guys can rotate to the left. The other guys are just knowing now.
This guy's out of mana.
Up to 6.
That guy's gonna be stuck in that. I'm sticking on the heals.
Alright. Oh, so close. Nice.
Okay, I'll go for the gloves now. I don't think I'm going for the gloves actually.
Yeah, that's fine. That was weird. Whoa. Whoa.
I'm fucking getting my shit ready. Almost have.
I gotta peel off a bit.
It's alright.
Oh fuck, he purged me!
I'm going to peel. We got a kite.
Okay. Yeah. I got everything I can on you right now. I can eat you now. You're eating.
Okay, I'm stacking.
Okay. Oh no. Nice.
I'll have my stacks in a second here.
Okay.
They're almost out of mana.
I am or they are?
They.
Okay. We should back out a little bit. Yeah. Because I'm low off of that. And these new people showed up. I had to run. And I am getting out of mana now.
Let's just walk to the...
Yeah.
Just keep walking, because they're going to fight each other now.
Yeah.
Alright, get your mana back for a second, and then we'll just walk back in.
Yeah, okay.
You got food up.
I have boots and... Oh, it ran out during that. I had checked it right before. I'm half and I have my boots up, so if it gets too low, I can just do it again. Did you get purged?
I don't know. Almost had this guy though. Yeah, he's...
Nice. They're all looting. Wait, we can get the kill.
It's alright. Chilling.
start to forget until I hit the bottom. But when I faced you in my blank confusion, I realized it was wrong, was a mere illusion. It really didn't make sense.
Just wasted my plot. I thought you were gonna hit me more.
It's not hard to go the distance when you finally get involved face to face.
He's looting!
I got most of it. You got the weapon, I think. Fucking silence, damn it. I think we're E again.
I'm almost. Oh, I got my hands free. Let's kite for a second.
Yeah, run.
Keep going.
Yeah.
I'm turning on the heel again.
Really didn't make sense just to leave this unresolved. It's not hard to go the distance when you finally get involved face to face.
Nice.
I'm chasing down the axe.
Yeah.
Streetlights, one star, she's sitting high. She's gonna take me home tonight.
Back here, but fully grown. First place, I'm a centerfold. Been around the world, but nothing's close.
I spent so much
One hand's not the best, but well, okay.
And more coming.
Lots and oh, excellent.
I'm an OC.
I know
Oh,
what
I think
hill I'm
that's
dying on. You're reading on my bones. I know that I can stay there forever. Been here all my life.
The healer's dead.
No matter where I go, I know we're gonna end up together. With summer breezes, heaven sent.
Hitting him, he's running back.
People keep their promises. I've landed on my feet again.
Sir.
Snowstorms can come and go.
Oh, there's another dude.
My heart is never
Two dudes.
cold. I'm
Got a
breathing
couple
in
friends?
oxygen.
Good. Take my food.
Spent all this time.
Okay, there's quite a few. One's dead.
There are quite a few.
I'm going on this mag. Guess it's a mag. One dead. Another dead. Right. Pick that one guy. Well, that was really messy, but it didn't matter.
That, like, I was so confused what was happening there.
Did you see my like frame perfect cleric on the mage circle?
No, I didn't know.
It was insane. Fully intentional, absolutely no luck involved.